Yo, check this out, man. First Citizens Bank shares soar 50% after they bought all of uh, Silicon Valley Bank stock. So they had 72 billion worth of assets. They bought it for 16 billion. Look at their stock, man. It went from 580 literally to 950. Check this out.
For the stock to be reacting that way and for all the regionals to be up on this, is it on face value as positive a development as it seems?
Oh, it is, Joe. Good morning. When you buy assets from the FDIC, remember their goal is to minimize loss to the insurance fund. And when they sell you that asset, it has a zero cost basis. It's a brand new asset. It's passed through the receivership. So it's a tremendous deal for First Citizens. And this is why they've done so many of these deals. They just got done buying CIT Financial. Same thing goes with New York Community Bank. The purchase of the assets from be a tremendous boon to that institution.
So the reaction in the stocks of the other regionals makes sense today. So is this we're in a pretty good we're at a good stage in terms of the healing process for the regional banks. Chris, you think this crisis is past?
No, because unfortunately the banks are competing with the U.S. Treasury. The Treasury is paying 4% for 90-day T-bills. The Fed's paying 5% on bank reserves. The cost of funds today for most large U.S. banks is around 1.5. So the banks can't adjust that fast, Joe. They're just not made for this. And the one takeaway I have for this whole period of
Well, in other news, there was a tweet that was posted that it's going to make all of China fully legal for legislation for crypto. So no Hong Kong won't be allowed to retail traders access to crypto on June 1st. A tweet suggesting the city will make crypto fully legal for all citizens is a misreading of the legislation. So this was posted from about a month ago, and there's been a little bit of controversy on Twitter and stuff like this. So Hong Kong is warming up to crypto and licensing regime for virtual asset service providers. Local term for crypto exchange, it kicks in on June 1st. Okay, so today is March 29th. Does this mean crypto is going fully legal? No. Brian Armstrong, he posted America's risk losing its status as a financial hub long term. Shit. Congress should act soon to pass legislation. So what they said was basically, we're waiting on the June 1st. Everybody says 90 days, right? So March 1st, everybody said by June 1st, it's Bitcoin's going to $1 million. Highly unlikely, honestly, in my opinion. All right, check it out, guys. I started posting videos right around here, and we were on the verge of dropping all the way down. It started consolidating, and then it started going up. And my prediction was from right around here and go all the way up to that's my line time wise. So in 90 days for me, or 108 days, I think it's going to get to about 43,000. We're not even halfway there, but the line indicators that I got, I said from right here that it's going to go up this way. It did hit it, and we're continuing to still trade sideways at this point, but check this out. These are some of the tweets that I posted. Hang on. Where is it? So on the 14th of January, that's when I said BTC has only done this 8 times. On the 29th, it started to go up more, and then on the 31st, that was the first golden cross. And these are my 2 resistance lines, and we did hit it, and it came back down and hit it. And March 10th, this was SVB fallout, and then it went up. So it literally went from dropped all the way down 19, and the highest peak right now took 12 days to get back up. So now we're going to figure out Now we're going to figure out the resistance of what it is now. And as you can see, like, we're still trading on the top of the line. Everyone says that, Bitcoin's going to drop, money aggregate flow is out. Yeah, it is going out, but we're still trading at the top of these lines. And a shout out to DCA fam. This is their indicator right here. I mean, this is phenomenal, bro. I love it. I mean, as long as we're trading still in the green and it doesn't go red, this is the trend indicator. We should be perfecto, dude. So what we're gonna do is compare like the 4 hour and look at the difference in between the day, right? So we'll go back to 4. 20K to up here. So we'll see. And Bitcoin always does this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to drop back down. And I believe if we break these levels right here, if we hit 26, we are going back down to resistance of 23, 24. Okay. And all this news keeps coming out, yada yada yada, trying to make everything drop so everybody else can pick stuff up, and y'all seen it. So, all right, well, ChrisGTR out. Enjoy the show. See y'all later.